Action.
Hornby. So it's sandstone, and what happens is one little pebble gets caught in it, and then the water starts making that pebble, like there's always like one little puff like that.
Yeah.
It starts like this, and then if it erodes enough times, it starts to create a little cavern like that, a pocket, and then it just gets deeper and deeper, and then we have these moon rock looking things.
Is your microphone, does it pick up a lot of sound? So you were trying to get the... Nice.
Oh, is this a chaga mushroom? What kind of mushroom is that? Right at Bluff Point here. Another nice coastal hike on Galiano Island. We're at Gray Point this morning and now heading up at Bluff Point.
And you can't really see it in the tattoo, but now...
Excuse me, I'll just be right back.
Right on, Bob.
And the morel mushrooms.
I got those earlier, right?
They're all fire burn morels.
Yeah.
And they've been off forest fires, and once the soil is sterilized, that's where you get your mushrooms.
Timmy Baudouin.
It was good. It was never special.
Well, by the time it gets to Alberta. But you know what? We have a fish guy now. He goes up north.
Got
picks up the fish. He's got
pesto
it all
pasta.
freeze-dried, vacuum packed in the freezers, and he comes up to Alberta.
Got the garlic.
You want to open the other one?
He takes all the meat up north. So anyway, I got some
Garlic
mahi-mahi
mushrooms.
from him.
Well, that was easier in the daylight.
Blurred it. Right?
On the Pacific Rim.
I have cartoon stuff from
Do you? It'll just fit right underneath there. On her back.
Whoa.
Seriously.
Wow.
Epic looking.
That's different.
It's like a treasure pocket.
What's on the kebabs?
Right.
Cook.
Does anyone want meat?
Red onion, cherry tomato,
No, thank no.
halloumi cheese, pepper.
Canada wood mushroom.
Beautiful. Wow.
Do you want your wine, dude?
Yeah.
And we got the food photographer at it again.
I blur out the background though, so.
Kudos to the cook.
Kudos to the cook.
Wave cook.
Oh.
Night. All right. Night number 2. Good night.
Darkness like this. And we never saw the daylight. It was so dense, way thicker than this.
It's a rainforest.
Yeah. We never actually saw the.
Go behind it first. We're cutting across it. No, it's going to be heavy. Let's go there. Go. You know what I mean with that brain freeze?
It's not as bad as I
The
thought.
route we took to Mystic Beach, quite rugged, quite grown in. There's ferry ahead of us here. So did we take the right trail down to Mystic Beach?
No.
No.
Zoom in on
How was it?
What?
It's like a cave looking out.
Just looking.
Who chose this route?
Okay, we picked one of us up.
At this point, we took the more beaten path upwards, but trying to figure out if we'd been better off. Whoa! All right,
Poor campers.
for our third supper, the smoky leftover charcuterie board with salt spring. Kitchen Company raspberry and habanero topping on a Chateau de Bourgogne cheese and crackers, and Montague cheese, pickled onions, the smokies with mustard,
Ramen soup.
ramen soup, Thai and braised beef flavored. But the rain is hard now. The tents seem to be keeping up. I don't know if you could see the raindrops, but they're coming down. But the tarp was a savior. It's working well.
We're taking. Oh man. We're running out of options, guys.
Not think about it for a while.
I'm like really scared to step right there.
Yeah. What's your thoughts on this rainy camping, Carrie? How do we survive the rain?
I don't know that I'm. Oh, is this a resident?
That's a private property. Keep on going.
Okay.
No, you can do it. You can turn around.
You think?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just gonna go right here.
Yeah.
You ready? Got it. This concludes our trip to Vancouver Island and the surrounding Gulf Islands. I had a chance to visit Hornby, Galiano, and Salt Spring Islands. And tomorrow we just finished with one day in Victoria. See you, Pacific Rim. You've been good. You've been very good. Grateful for you. Grateful for my time with Stefan and Anna. Grateful for a supportive wife. Success on night number 3 camping. The rain stayed away. We'll take one last walk to the beach here. I should have time-lapsed it, but quite impressive that everything that was on his campsite is in one car. Not two, hardly anything's in here. It's all in here. All organized by our fabulous co-hosts, Anna and Stefan.